Imagine a city where artificial intelligence orchestrates traffic flow, drones deliver your online shopping, and boarding a flying taxi is as simple as hailing a cab. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie, they're happening right now in some of the world's most technologically advanced cities. Today, we're diving into the top 5 high-tech cities around the globe, each a beacon of innovation and progress. From Asia's bustling metropolises to the heart of Silicon Valley, these cities are pioneering the future. Ready to find out which city leads the tech revolution? Let's explore. Step into Tokyo, a metropolis where tradition seamlessly blends with cutting-edge innovation. Home to tech giants like Sony, Panasonic, and SoftBank, Tokyo is a hub of technological prowess. The city boasts AI-driven traffic management systems optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and enhancing safety. Robotics is another frontier Tokyo excels in, with humanoid robots assisting in hotels and AI-driven companions aiding the elderly. Tokyo's smart infrastructure integrates automated transportation and expansive 5G connectivity, creating a seamless urban experience. With a GDP of approximately $1.6 trillion as of 2023 and 98.1% 5G coverage by March 2024, Tokyo exemplifies technological fusion. Imagine a city where the government anticipates your needs before you do. Welcome to Singapore, often hailed as the world's smartest city. Real-time urban planning, including AI-powered traffic lights and pollution tracking, makes Singapore a leader in AI-driven governance. Facial recognition is widely implemented for security and convenience, alongside blockchain integration in government services. Notably, Singapore is one of the first cities testing air taxis with Volocopter, aiming for a commercial launch by 2026. With a GDP of $467 billion and 96.9% internet penetration as of 2023, Singapore's Smart Nation vision is redefining urban living. Shenzhen is where rapid innovation meets mass production. Known as the heart of China's tech industry, this city is home to Huawei, Tencent, and DJI. Leading in facial recognition and public security technologies, Shenzhen's AI-powered surveillance systems are unmatched. The city thrives on a cashless economy, with digital payments dominating daily life through WeChat Pay and Alipay. Shenzhen's commitment to innovation is evident in its electrified transport, being the world's first city to fully electrify its bus and taxi fleets. With a GDP of $513 billion in 2024 and over 55,000 5G base stations, Shenzhen is a global tech hub. Seoul is one of the most digitally connected cities on the planet, embracing smart technology at every turn. The city features AI-powered public transport, including self-driving buses and subway automation. High-tech residential and commercial spaces boast automated controls, while Seoul's virtual city, the metaverse city, provides government services and citizen engagement. In healthcare, smart hospitals and AI-powered diagnostics are leading medical advancements. With a GDP of $1,006 trillion as of 2023 and rapidly expanding 5G coverage, Seoul is a powerhouse of connectivity and innovation. Fun fact: Seoul has the fastest average internet speeds in the world. Silicon Valley is where the world's most transformative technologies emerge, home to Apple, Google, Tesla, OpenAI, and Meta. The region leads in AI and machine learning advancements, with autonomous vehicles from Tesla and Waymo revolutionizing transportation. Silicon Valley is also a hub for sustainable smart cities, featuring AI-powered energy grids and smart traffic management. With a GDP of $668 billion in 2023 and over $100 billion invested in startups in the same year, Silicon Valley remains a venture capital powerhouse. More than half of the world's unicorn startups, companies valued at over $1 billion, are based here. These 5 cities are at the forefront of technology, but other cities are making their mark too. Berlin is a leader in AI startups and fintech innovations. London excels in fintech and cybersecurity. Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India, and Tel Aviv is a major player in cybersecurity and AI. If you could move to one of these high-tech cities, which would you choose? Flying taxis in Singapore, AI-powered transit in Seoul, or the startup ecosystem in Silicon Valley? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic content.